Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Browsing Assist on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Browsing Assist makes the web smarter by giving you summaries, translations, and highlights of content you're reading online. So this only works on the Samsung Internet browser. So first, let me show you how to turn it on, and then let me show you how to use it. So here we'll go ahead and first open up Settings, scroll down, find Galaxy AI. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Browsing Assist. So with this, you get simple summaries of web pages, translate text and images. You can hear summarized web pages, which is being read aloud, and you can listen to highlights from articles and posts. So if you tap on this, make sure you turn this feature on. So for summaries, for translate, and for reading it aloud. Now press home. Now you want to go ahead and open up Internet browser. Now here I'm just researching about laser eye surgery, and I can go ahead and use the Galaxy AI, the Browsing Assist, to give me a summary, to translate, even read it aloud. So I'll just go ahead and try a summary. So now this will summarize the web page and give me all the key information. Let's use the other one where translate. There's nothing to translate. However, you can go ahead and translate this from English to your own language. So if English isn't your first language, you can go ahead and translate it to your preferred languages. Next, you can go ahead and tap on Read Highlights Aloud.
Surgery, including LASIK procedure.
So instead of you reading through this, you can go ahead and put this phone one side and let your phone read out all the information for you while you listen and do something else. So this saves time by cutting long articles into easy to digest summaries. You can instantly translate foreign content, breaking language barriers, and this is great for research, studies, or when you just want the key information pointed out to you. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the Browsing Assist on your Samsung Galaxy device.